Hello everyone, it's your girl Cassandra Olivia back with another video. So real briefly, this is some hair that was sent to me from Miss Toxic Hair on Instagram. I'll probably link that down below. And I'm just showing you guys what comes in the packaging. It is 3 bundles of 16 and 3 bundles of 18 and a 16 closure, my bad. And it came with lashes and a cat. The cat was black, which is why I tossed it out because ain't nobody using that. So really quickly, I made a wig for my friend Olivia and I had her come in and model for me. We were just having a good time geeking. I probably end up just selling this wig for really cheap because the hair was okay. I kind of liked it. It was all right, but it was just average hair to me. Nothing super spectacular, but it wasn't terrible. I just prefer a little bit better quality of hair, but hey, it's free, so we about to finesse. So real quickly, I just made her a wig and I went ahead and plucked it. I cut the lace off. I threw some wand curls in there. I'll link down below the wand curler that I use. And let's just get into this beat, honey. So I'm going in with my concealer by P. Louise, the shade 4 Base. And I'm just going in with the brush and I'm going to start applying her base all over her eyes. I did not touch her eyebrows at all, guys. This is just her natural eyebrow. And now I'm just going in with my Morphe 35B palette, which is discontinued, so I'm sorry if you can't get your hands on this, but this is an oldie but goodie for me. And I don't really use this palette anymore, so I figured why not bring this in. And normally on Aaliyah, I like to do a natural look, but I decided today to just do something crazy. So she told me just to snap on her makeup, and you guys know I love cut creases, so I figured why not do a pink cut crease. That is my favorite color, and it kind of matches my shirt that she also has on because, honey, we are bougie about our hair. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how I'm going to do this beat really briefly. This is a quick 6-minute video, straight to the point, and I'm just blending out her first eyeshadow colors, and I'm just going in and kind of deepening that crease, and we're going to start making this cut crease pop. Now, whenever you first start doing cut creases, they do look crazy, so you just want to make sure that you're blending out your colors. Also, guys, disclaimer, please don't mind me if I sound super tired. I just got off of work. I've been at work since 6:30 this morning. It is now 7 o'clock at night and your girl is tired. Plus, I just ate some bomb crabs earlier, so I am about to fall asleep. I got the itis, so yeah. Anyway, back to this beat. So I'm doing a cut crease, and whenever you guys do a cut crease, it starts looking a little wild before it looks good. So you just have to trust the process. I'm going in with my Juvia's Place palette. I don't know the names of these shades. I'm going to look back at this palette, but I don't believe the Zulu palette has names anyway. But I'll just put everything down in the description box below, so please don't come for me. This is not really a tutorial. This is just me showing you how I slate my friends. So yeah, now I'm just adding some lashes. These lashes are from my line that I was testing out a while back. I don't know if I want to do lashes or not, but I still have some samples, so I'm just using those. And I'm just going in and putting some foundation all over her face. This is the Black Opal Nutmeg foundation, and then I like to just go in with a little bit of concealer. This is the shade Toast by LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just going in with a foundation brush and applying this. And I actually did not bring any beauty blenders with me to work, guys, so I actually had to do this whole blend out using just brushes, which actually was my first time trying to do this with the brushes, and I think I really blended the hell out of her face. Like, not to even toot my own horn, but before I was not able to do this. Now I was just like, keep blending and just blend for your life. Like, blend for 30 minutes if you have to. So I'm just blending her concealer into her foundation, and then when I'm done doing that, I'm going to start melting the foundation and concealer together where the lines kind of are, just so everything is nice and seamless, if I can talk. I am so tired. But anyway, I'm going to have her turn her head to the side when I'm done doing this part, just so you guys can kind of see how it looks when this is all done. As always, I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup powder, and I'm just using one of these makeup sponges that I got from Sally's, and I'm just setting her face. This was my first time using these sponges, but like I said, I was out of beauty blender, so I just had to use what I had available. So this is going to look super powdery and cakey for like 5 minutes, but then I'm just going to dust it away, and I just kept dusting from my life also. And when I'm done this part, I like to set the face just so that everything marries together. So now I'm just going in with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray after this, and I'm just going to set her face and making sure that everything is nice and melted together. And then I'm just going to go in with the brush that I used to apply the foundation and kind of just tap the edges of all of that highlighter, so that way everything has a nice gradient effect. And this is how it looks before I even contour. So now I'm just going in with a BH Cosmetics contour palette. This is the Pro Contour palette, I believe. And I'm just going in with the darkest shade, and I just like to powder contour. I don't really like to cream contour like that. So now I'm just going in with mascara, and I'm just blending her lashes, and then I'm just going to go in with my Juvia's Place highlighter right in the inner corners of her eye and just highlight her eyes and her brows. Her brow bone, let me rephrase that. And I just wanted to do a natural brow for her today. I think her natural brows are absolutely stunning. She has nothing in her brows right now, and they are just perfection. So yeah, we just wanted to leave that as is, and I just wanted to kind of just do a little something on the eye, a little bit more bold for her. So I'm going in with ColourPop Souffle, and I actually went in with a dark cocoa lip liner that I got from my local beauty supply store. I'm not sure the brand. And then I just went in with my Beauty Bakery fortune cookie right in the middle, and I just had her blot her lips until we blended that out, and then I went back over it with the liner to make sure everything was perfect. So now I'm just curling her with my wand curler. I just added a few more curls inside of this wig that we curled previously. And I just wanted to make sure everything was nice and uniform. And I did go ahead and pluck the hairline just because the hairline on the closure was kind of thick and I didn't want it to look too wiggy. So yeah, I'm just going in and plucking that just so it can look a little bit more natural. Trying to finesse the lace real quick. And then we're going to come back and add some more wand curls. And I did cut this little piece of net that was hanging out in the front. But I believe I did do that off camera, so we are just gonna keep it moving. So once I was done wand coloring her, Aaliyah decided that she wanted me to run my fingers through the curls just because that's her personal preference. So I figured you already saw how it looks like this, so I'm just gonna run my fingers through it. I believe I also did that off camera, but this is the end result pretty much. So if you guys are feeling this beat in this wig, and if you want this wig, just DM me. I'll probably just give it away. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video. And as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow your girl on Instagram at _Cassandra Olivia.